Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Taurus. This is going to be your daily love reading, Taurus. Let's see what's coming up. Face your challenges, harmony, generosity. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. With these cards, you're facing great challenges now. Okay, maybe some kind of addiction. So you're trying hard to overcome it. Okay, this may be your person's energy also. So you have to face your problems with strength and courage, guys. Um, when you face your problems with strength, okay, there's an opportunity to grow and learn. Okay, so with harmony, you don't have to fear what people think of you. Okay, how they view you, how they will judge you. There's no need to fear. Okay, when you accept what person you are, and you when you see the truth about people around you, okay, how people are around you, helps you to find harmony within yourself. Okay, when you open your heart, um, to when you open your heart and understand, okay, how people view you and what is in your heart, how you view the world, okay, you get a great understanding and it leads to harmony, guys. And generosity does not necessarily meaning to help people with money. Okay, it can be by sharing your and time and energy with your friends, with the people who you need. Okay, Taurus. Okay, so that's what I feel, guys. So you're facing challenges maybe with some habits or physically it can be a literal problem. Okay, maybe with your work, maybe in your relationship you're trying hard to overcome it. Okay, but I feel when you are harmonious, when you understand the situation around you, okay, how people are viewing you and how you're seeing them, okay, then you will get a good understanding. And when you try to be more generous with your time and energy trying to help people, you will overcome your challenges, guys. So let's see, let me pick out three more cards for you. This is the love message from your person, guys. You're my home, you hold me tight, you respect me as a person. Okay, guys, it's a very good message I've got here. You're my home. Your person feels very safe with you. Okay, they feel very cozy, comfortable with you. You hold me tight. You respect me as a person. They feel you're the only one who understands them. Okay, and maybe this is why I've got this harmony card, guys. It relates to the other three cards also. Okay, so they feel you're a very good person. You hold them in your heart and you make them feel very comfortable. Okay, they love your company, I feel. So let me pick out three more cards to give a clarity to your situation, guys. Let's see what's coming up. Taurus, elevation, priorities, ownership. Okay, guys. Okay, with the elevation, you're trying to become a better person. Okay, maybe you're coming out of some kind of habit, guys. That's what I feel here. So you're trying to change for the better. And priorities, you know what you want to do. Okay, uh, what you want to prioritize, okay? Decisions based on that, what you feel is right. Okay, with priorities, you have to prioritize, guys. You want to know what is most important for you. Okay, so based on that, you should decide. Your actions should be based on that, guys, and what you want your life to become. Okay, so that's what the angels are telling you. And ownership. Okay, and ownership card just says, like every day we face so many situations, okay, and few things we feel we should not have done, okay, few actions of us. When we reflect on what we have done, okay, there is no need to get depressed or feel sorry, okay. When you accept your mistakes, what you have done, okay, it gives us a better understanding, and you voluntarily choose yourself to be very positive, with positive deeds and positive thoughts. So that way you can change your life, guys. You can it can help you to get this elevation, okay, to grow as a person emotionally and spiritually. So that is what I feel, guys. Taurus. So when you face your challenges harmoniously with generosity in your heart, when you accept what is happening, when you accept your mistakes, and when you understand them with a clear view, okay, and when you prioritize what is important for you and how you want to what goals you want to achieve in life, okay, you will get a better understanding of your situation. And I feel your person loves you very much. They feel very secure and peaceful to be with you, okay. So that is what I'm getting here, Taurus. This is the energy for you. That's all, guys, for today. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Taurus. Bye, guys.